opening animation, dig talk, logo plus upbeat music. Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Dig Talk, the channel where we break down complex tech in simple, fun ways. Today, we're talking about something that sounds super technical, but is actually pretty easy to understand. Let's dig into PROX, IS, ER5, ERS. Normally, you send it straight from your device to the website server. So, what is a proxy server? Imagine you're sending a letter to a website, but with a proxy, your letter first goes through a middleman, the proxy server, which then forwards it to the website. Your real identity stays hidden behind this digital mask. Pretty cool, right? Why use a proxy server? To stay anonymous online, to bypass geoblocks and access restricted content, to filter web traffic, or to speed up browsing with caching. But remember, not all proxies are safe. Some free ones can log your data or slow down your connection, so always use trusted services, whether you're a student, a gamer, or just someone who wants a bit more privacy. Proxy servers can be super helpful. Did this video help you understand proxy servers a bit better? Then do us a favor. Like this video, drop a comment if you've ever used a proxy, share it with your techie friends, and of course, subscribe to Dig Talk for more tech made simple. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next dig. End animation. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Icons bouncing with cheerful music on screen. Next up, VPN versus proxy. What's the difference? With clickable thumbnail.